Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Karthik, working as an emergency physician in the Department of Emergency Medicine, Omni Hospital, Kukatpalli. I hope everyone is doing fine. In light of the recent COVID-19 pandemic that is going on, we all know the various precautions that need to be taken so as to prevent the spread of coronavirus, like regularly using mask, social distancing, maintaining adequate distance between you and the other person while going out, and regularly washing your hands and hand sanitization methods and techniques. Coming to hand sanitization, we all know of the various products that are readily available in the market, like the hand sanitization bottles. So as to use them, we need every time we need to touch the bottle so as to take some liquid and hand sanitize our hands. The problem that it creates is it makes a point of contact for every person who needs to use a hand sanitizer. So when it comes to hospital and shopping malls, lot of people who need to use the hand sanitizer are touching the same bottle, and it creates a point of contact for spread of infection. So recently I have come across many commercial products that can dispense hand sanitizer without the need of anyone touching them. So as I am interested in electronics and I have been active in various electronic forums, I decided why not make one hand sanitizer for the hospital that can work independently. I mean, it doesn't need anyone to operate it, and it can automatically sense our hand and dispense the hand sanitizer when needed. The thing that you see here is made in a very cost-effective way using materials that are readily available in our hospital. They are of course sterilized before making them, and along with the materials like a box and a bottle and all, the main thing is the sensor that is over here. It will detect our hand automatically when it is below the nozzle, and it will dispense the hand sanitizer liquid automatically. So how it works is the sensor relays the information to an Arduino. Arduino is a integrated chip that detects any information from the sensor, and it automatically switches on a pump that dispenses the hand sanitizer liquid automatically. So whenever it detects that there is no hand in front of it, it automatically switches it off. So this is how this thing works. And maybe it will cost around 1500 to 2000 rupees. This is the nozzle for the hand sanitizer dispenser. Below the nozzle you can see a sensor. This is a sensor that detects any hand or any object below the nozzle, and this thing relays the information to an Arduino that is present inside this. An Arduino is a small kind of computer or integrated chip that receives information from this sensor, and it automatically tells a pump that a hand is present below the nozzle and we need to pump out the hand sanitizer. So it will pump out hand sanitizer, and when we remove the hand, the same information will be relayed to the Arduino that there is no hand below the nozzle and you need to switch it off. So it will be switched off automatically. This model will also display the room temperature and humidity also. This automatic hand sanitizer machine, it can run both on power and also batteries. We can directly connect it through a charger into a wall socket. Otherwise, if we need to make it portable so that we can take it anywhere and all, it can also run on this power bank, and we can also make it to run on batteries also, so that this thing can be taken anywhere and put near the entrances, exits, wherever it is needed. What are the benefits of this? One thing I have already explained, that it is very cost effective. When we compare the same thing that are available commercially in the market, they are very ridiculously high priced. Another advantage of this is it eliminates a point of contact between various people that are working in a hospital or in a shopping mall or any visitors, so that at least to some extent we can eliminate one source of infection. And also this can be left at any entrance or exit, and it doesn't need anyone to operate this thing. We at Omni Hospital, Kukatpalli, we have started using these automatic hand sanitizer dispensers at all entrances and exits. And along with these hand sanitization precautions, through the regularly sanitizing our OPDs, emergencies, through mask usage, encouraging social distancing, we are taking each and every precaution so as to reduce the chances of spreading infection through any way. We are here to take care of you. Please don't hesitate to come to the hospital for any emergency. Thank you.